These are first year apprentices and they're completing hand excavation and concreting block. In this block, apprentices will learn how to plan a site, identify hazards, learn how to set out for their strip footings and the excavation, how to safely and efficiently remove the soil and stockpile it, and then how to form up a basic slab and then pour the concrete and mix it themselves. So this week, apprentices will basically form up, they'll mix the concrete, then pour the concrete. So they'll start by ripping some form ply and making the form as per specifications. They'll place the Rio on chairs, make sure we've got enough edge coverage. Then we'll get the barrows out. They'll mix in their ratios of 1:3:3 as per a footing mix. Mix that up, pour it,